Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Kaizen literally means change for the better, and continuous improvement is what our company is all about. Helping ourselves, helping others, and helping companies change for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, you want to learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Well, all right then, let's get to work. Joe, I understand that the Tahoe is a lot of money. As a matter of fact, that's actually why you ought to get it. Jane said you guys needed. I mean, you needed the 5.7 V8 engine because you wanted to make sure you had plenty of power to pull that horse trailer, and we know this will do that job. You also wanted to get leather because you said last time you kind of cut corners and you ended up getting the cloth and you regretted it. So that leather is sure going to make those long trips that you guys take to different horsing events a lot more comfortable, isn't it? And then also I know you wanted the third row seat for the same reasons. You guys take these long trips to different states and you wanted more comfort, convenience, you wanted room for the kids in case they want to bring friends or something of that nature. So the reason why it's so high priced is because it's got all the stuff that you and your family is going to need. Now, the fact that it's the perfect car is going to do two big things for you, two big things. The first thing it's going to do is help you enjoy the vehicle a lot more. So you're going to enjoy this Tahoe during the whole life of ownership because it's got all the stuff you guys need. Now, because it's got all the stuff you guys need, the chances are you're going to want to keep it longer. And if you keep things longer, you know what happens anytime you spread out the cost of something over time, right? It brings the cost down. So it's actually going to be less expensive in the long run because you'll probably keep it a lot longer. And then finally, when you do decide to trade it or if you want to sell it to somebody, it's going to be highly marketable because it's got all the good equipment on it and people are going to want it. It's going to be in high demand. It's going to have the big engine. It's going to have all the luxury items. It's going to have that third row seat. So it really does sound like it's the perfect car for you guys, you know? I tell you what do you say we just put all this shop behind you? That way you can start enjoying this Tahoe now as opposed to running around shopping all over. Now, were you going to go ahead and put it both you and Jane's name, or is only one of you going to go